Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I think every family should have a first aid kit in their house and whenever they're out and about. And this one by Alpine Mountain Gear is a great one to have on hand. What makes this one so nice is it covers all the emergencies you could have, but it is all compact in this tiny little bag. You can throw it in the trunk of your car when you're going camping, just throw this in the backpack and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Another nice thing is that they list everything that's in here on the back. So you don't have to rifle through a bag trying to find if there's antiseptic wipes or is there gauze. They've also organized this bag so well. Everything is labeled so you can get to what you need very quickly. There's a first aid guide, so if you are facing an emergency and you're not sure what to do, you can quickly refer to that and see the best course of treatment at the time. It's always nice knowing you have a first aid kit on hand for emergencies that you hope never happen, but it gives you peace of mind. So if you are looking for your next first aid kit to keep around with you, this one is a really nice choice and it's tiny, but that's just my point of view.